There we go, guys. This lady is snoring, and this guy has an airplane, and when she snores, it makes it sound like an airplane, so he's flying the airplane. Thanks for watching, and like and subscribe on my YouTube.